Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. For those that don't know, I'm a single mom of two and I've been earning a full-time income online since the end of 2016 and showing others how to do the same. In this video, I will be showing people proof of the money that I've made. Not to brag, but to let people know, see what's possible when you start an online business opportunity. The other thing that I want to discuss that's really important. Okay, the other thing I want to discuss that's really important, I'm sorry I had to take a quick break, is that why people are failing online and what they need to do differently. Not only that, what I provide that a lot of sponsors don't provide. And honestly, the reason why I'm sharing this information is because if I received this information when I first came online, I would be way ahead of my time. I would have been moving faster within my business. I feel like a lot of people get the basics, but they don't get the core of the problem that they're having online. They don't get to the core to actually be able to start earning a full-time income, and that's extremely important. Okay, so basically it's not just about knowing what the program does, seeing people making money, but knowing the steps that needs to happen in order for you to start earning a full-time income. That's extremely important. What steps you have to take, what you have to do, what type of consistency is involved, driving traffic, that's all important. And today we're going to discuss free traffic versus paid traffic. So the program that I'm in is called the Power Lead System, and people probably heard of this program before. It has been around for years, over 8 years. And people have been earning a full-time income and leaving their daytime jobs by utilizing the system. What I love about the Power Lead System is that you can use this to promote any business opportunity, okay? And if you don't have a business opportunity, you can just promote the Power Lead System and run cold traffic to this. Now, people want to know, well, what is cold traffic? Cold traffic is basically people that don't know anything about you. They see the opportunity and they are hooked. They want to sign up. They want to get started, okay? And I'm going to show you a little bit of my results, and then we're going to basically go from there. So, just going into my commissions earned so far, we get paid every single week. Every single Wednesday, we have commissions that go directly into our account. Just going back 3 weeks, I was paid $2,345 from June 3rd to June 9th. June 10th to the 16th, I was paid $2,510. And on June 17th to the 23rd, I made $1,825. Now, the commissions are going to fluctuate depending on the time of the year, how much traffic you're running, things like that. You have to take all of that into consideration. Different times of the year, you're going to get higher commissions. Other times of the year, you're going to get lower commissions. It's just about, is it consistent enough for you to earn a full-time income? And with the Power Lead System, you can do that. And I realized that you can do it in a shorter period of time than if you were in another program, okay, a high ticket program or a program that didn't give you everything that you need in order to be successful. With the Power Lead System, you have it's done for you in a box, okay? So everything that you need with the Power Lead System is right here within the Power Lead System. I'm talking about the capture pages, sales pages, the autoresponder, how to run traffic, fast and slow, all of that stuff, getting a domain, including your picture, all of that is here for you. And then on top of that, they have all of the live hangouts. So you don't have to worry about going and promoting through doing a hangout yourself. You just get plugged into the hangouts that happen 3 times a week. Send your list to those hangouts and then let those people close the deals for you, okay? So the Power Lead System is a traffic generation lead magnet, and they have different levels. And of course, I always tell people you get what you pay for. If you are seriously committed to making this work for you, you want to get in as high as you can, okay? They have the gold level being the lowest, which gives you only $20 commissions on a residual basis. You have the diamond level, which is a one-time payment of $147, and you're going to get unlimited $100 commissions. At the platinum level, it's a one-time payment of $497, and you're going to get unlimited $400 commissions. And at the Master Traffic Institute level, it's a one-time payment of $1,497, and you're going to get $1,000 commissions. Not only that, we get overrides from the efforts of our team. So if someone on my team has somebody come in at the Master Traffic Institute level, I will automatically receive $200 in commissions. Those are considered overrides. So you get paid for the people that come onto your team and start generating traffic. And that is what actually starts to add up, okay? So right now I'm running traffic. I'm going to just show you guys what it looks like, okay? Every time you run traffic and you get either opt-in or a sign up to your funnel, that is going to at some point turn into, the opt-ins is going to turn into people that sign up. And you know, as you're running traffic, you're going to see upgrades and things of that nature, and it's going to just continuously happen over and over again. So just going back to the 21st, I have gold members that came in here, a diamond member, which is $100, fast start bonus, which is $400. And here I have right now traffic running, which is getting me this 100 is how many people opted into my capture page. 75 people here. I have 15 gold members. That's $20 per gold member that come in. And what happens is, out of these gold members, a percentage of them are going to upgrade to the next level, the next level, and the next level. And that's how you make more money. So the gold members, they start off, this is like your warm market. They start off, they come in, they get a feel for the system. We invite them back to our group. For those that don't know, we have the Freedom Takers group that does all the selling and telling for you. It helps you to get started so that you're not confused when you first start. It gives you all of the proof of people that are actually earning on a consistent basis. And you can actually have conversations with people and ask questions. And in our file section, we have everything that you need step by step on how to get started within this program. So if you come here to the Freedom Takers group, this is where you actually get plugged in to everything that we have for you. For my team only, I do your funnels for you at the diamond, platinum, and MTI level. So when you come in at the higher levels, I will set up your funnel for you within 48 hours so you can just start driving traffic. We will have a conversation so that you know exactly what you need to do on a consistent basis to drive traffic. Now, going back to traffic, when you are driving traffic, this is what you need to know. And this is very important. This is what a lot of people don't tell you because they're afraid that if they give you this information that it's going to shun people away. People are not going to join them. But I'm being honest because honesty is the best policy. And for people that really want to make it in this industry, you need to know this. When you are driving free traffic takes longer to convert. You're looking at 60 to 90 days to start building momentum, which means to start getting consistent signups, consistent leads within your business, okay? So you're looking at a 60 to 90-day run of being committed to doing something just about every single day in order to get the results that you're looking for. With paid traffic, it's going to happen much faster because you're just running a certain amount of clicks to your link for people to be exposed to what it is you're promoting. So that's going to allow you to pick up pace faster and to make commissions faster, okay? Now, when people are running free traffic, they don't know what that means and what's entailed to that. And that's where I step in. I show people step by step on what you need to do in order to drive traffic on a consistent basis to your link, okay? And it takes time. You know, you need about an hour to 2 hours a day, at least 5 days a week, but it works. I'm only telling you this because I did it in the beginning. And this is what led me to start making thousands of dollars online. The hardest part is that people are normally not consistent enough to start earning these commissions on a regular basis. If you are consistent and you're committed to the process that needs to happen for you to start earning a full-time income, you will earn a full-time income. It's just that simple. The average person is not committed and not consistent. And that's why a lot of people do not make it online. That's what it boils down to. There's a lot of people that are told what to do, but don't know exactly what to do. They don't have the steps to put the pieces of the puzzle together. And that's what I'm good at. That's what I teach you how to do. Why? Because I know for a fact that in 2015, when I was looking for an online opportunity, if somebody sat down and explained to me the process and what I needed to do step by step, that would have helped me to grow a full-time income faster and not have so many pitfalls that I had when I first came into this industry. So if you're interested in this opportunity, you want to take a look, you want to earn a full-time income, reach out to me, get started. Let's meet. I am available. I do this full-time. I'm online helping people all the time, generating traffic, running traffic. That's what I'm good at. And I can help you. So the information is in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to just follow my online journey, okay? This is just to inspire people and let people know that if I can do it, they can do it, and that it's possible. So thanks so much for viewing my video. Have a great night, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.